If you love spending time in the kitchen or just want to make cooking a little easier and more fun, you're in the right place. I've found some of the most useful, clever, and time-saving kitchen gadgets available on Amazon. These tools aren't just practical. They're designed to bring a touch of innovation to your daily routine. So, before we dive in, make sure to subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and check out the link below for all the product details. Make your tea time smarter with the Chefman electric kettle. This sleek glass and stainless steel design doesn't just look good. It's packed with features that make boiling water quicker and more precise. With custom heat settings and color-changing LED lights, you'll always know what stage your water is at. It comes with a removable tea infuser, so you can brew loose-leaf tea right in the kettle. The cordless design and swivel base make pouring easy and mess-free, while the removable lid makes cleaning simple. It's a great addition to any modern kitchen. Enjoy homemade yogurt just the way you like it with the Bear Yogurt Maker. This compact machine does more than just yogurt. It also handles Greek yogurt, fruit wine, cheese, and more, all with simple timer control and an easy-to-use digital display. Its stainless steel inner pot heats evenly, and the included strainer helps you create thick, creamy Greek yogurt right at home. With 2 glass jars and a thoughtful design, it's perfect for both individual portions and family servings. Cleanup is a breeze, and everything's made with safe, food-friendly materials. Open cans, jars, and bottles with ease using the Bella electric can opener. This multitasking gadget does more than you'd expect. From a smooth one-touch can opening to sharpening your kitchen knives, it's built to make your daily prep work faster and simpler. The stainless steel blade is tough and reliable, and the removable cutting lever makes cleaning quick and easy. It also stores away neatly thanks to built-in cord storage. With a variety of colors to match your kitchen style, it's as stylish as it is functional. Kickstart your mornings with the La Revose Smoothie Blender. Compact, colorful, and powerful enough to blend your favorite fruits and veggies in seconds. Its sleek design includes 2 BPA-free travel bottles, so you can blend and sip from the same container without any mess. Whether you're whipping up a smoothie, protein shake, or baby formula, this blender makes it fast and easy. With a simple twist-to-lock system and a travel-friendly lid, it's perfect for life on the go. Lightweight yet strong, it fits easily in most car cup holders and bags. Make your kitchen routine easier with the blue Ginkgo over-the-sink colander. Whether you're rinsing fresh produce, draining pasta, or drying utensils, this adjustable basket does it all. It stretches to fit most sinks and keeps food elevated above the base to avoid water backing up. The even spacing of the drain holes helps everything rinse and dry efficiently. And the BPA-free plastic is sturdy and heat-resistant. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and tucks away when not in use. A smart essential for any kitchen setup. Get ready to cook smarter with the Razori Double Induction Cooktop. It's a compact 2-burner powerhouse that comes with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for pancakes, steaks, eggs, and more. Each burner has its own temperature and timer control, so you can multitask like a pro. Thanks to advanced induction heating, it heats up fast and cooks evenly while keeping things energy efficient. The sleek glass surface and coated grill pan are easy to wipe clean, and safety features like auto shutoff and a child lock give you peace of mind. Add a classic touch to your kitchen with the Ellie Toutsi French onion soup bowls. These 15-ounce ceramic bowls are perfect not just for French onion soup, but also for chili, stews, chowder, and more. Each bowl has comfortable side handles with a smart 2-hole design to drain water after washing. They're oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. Plus, The stackable design saves space in your cabinets. Made from high-fired natural ceramic, these bowls are durable, odor-resistant, and safe for daily use. The Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker is the perfect kitchen companion for making fresh, healthy soups in no time. With a 1.2-liter capacity, it can make 2 to 4 servings of soup, smoothies, compote, and more. Featuring 6 preset programs, including pureed and chunky soups, it takes as little as 18 minutes to create perfectly textured soups. The SuperPro technology ensures optimized heating, making it versatile enough to handle milk-based soups and smoothies. Additionally, the appliance includes a recipe book with 38 recipes, with some designed for a soup cleanse. The Tronco 24-ounce glass lunch bowl container is a premium, eco-friendly food storage solution made from durable borosilicate glass. Its leak-proof design ensures your meals stay secure and fresh, making it perfect for meal prep, leftovers, soups, and on-the-go snacking. The airtight seal locks in freshness, while the container is microwave-safe without the lid and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Available in various colors, it's a stylish, sustainable choice that helps reduce plastic waste. This container is ideal for those looking for a reliable, reusable food storage solution. The OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale offers precise measurements for all your cooking and baking needs. It features a smudge and fingerprint-resistant stainless steel platform, making it easy to keep clean. The scale's pull-out digital display eliminates shadowing from large plates or bowls, and the large backlit numbers make reading the results easy. With a zero function for tearing, it's ideal for adding multiple ingredients, and you can switch between units, ounces, pounds, grams, or kilograms, with the unit conversion button. The removable platform ensures easy cleaning, adding to its convenience and durability. The Sicily Black Sponge Holder is a sleek, space-saving solution for your kitchen sink. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it features a rotatable spout that directs water into the sink, keeping your countertop dry and clean. Compact in size, it holds a detergent bottle, sponge, sink stopper, and up to 4 brushes in its 3 separate compartments. Easy to clean and requiring no installation, this organizer is perfect for reducing clutter and optimizing your kitchen space. The Peak-Nip wide-mouth mason jars are perfect for canning, fermenting, pickling, and more. Made in the USA with durable crystal-clear glass, these jars feature airtight lids and bands that keep your homemade preserves fresh for up to 18 months. The wide-mouth design makes filling, emptying, and cleaning easy. These versatile jars are microwave and dishwasher safe and can even be used for DIY projects or as drinkware. Each set includes a convenient jar opener for easy use and accurate sealing. The Hayakoi Gooseneck electric kettle offers smooth, controlled pouring for a perfect cup of coffee or tea. With precise temperature control and quick heating, it's ideal for those who appreciate quality brews. The Keep Warm function ensures your water stays hot, while the built-in timer helps with perfect timing. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it delivers a clean taste and reliable performance, making it a thoughtful gift for coffee and tea lovers. The Elite Gourmet Cool Touch Kettle combines safety, style, and convenience in one sleek design. With its insulated double-wall construction and stainless steel interior, it keeps water hot while staying cool to the touch. The one-touch lever, swivel base, and auto shutoff make it easy and safe to use. Perfect for brewing tea, coffee, or prepping quick meals, it's a practical choice for any kitchen, office, or dorm. This fat separator with bottom release is a smart solution for healthier cooking, letting you easily remove grease with a quick press of a lever. Built from durable materials and designed for convenience, it comes with a multifunctional vegetable peeler to handle prep tasks with ease. Heat-resistant markings and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple, while its thoughtful design supports precise cooking with less mess. The Chefman Small Air Fryer makes healthy cooking easy with its sleek design and user-friendly digital touch screen. It lets you crisp up meals with little to no oil, offering a great way to enjoy your favorites guilt-free. The compact size fits perfectly on any countertop, while the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket ensures cleanup is simple. With auto shut-off and a programmable timer, it's perfect for quick snacks or full meals. The Keystone Smart Touch Toaster brings a stylish retro vibe with modern features like a sleek touchscreen and wide slots for thick slices or bagels. Made with durable stainless steel, it adds a clean, polished look to any kitchen. You can easily adjust browning levels, reheat without burning, or defrost bread straight from the freezer. Cleanup is simple with a removable crumb tray, making this toaster as practical as it is elegant. The Tea Bloom One-Touch Tea Maker blends elegant design with practical function, serving as both a stovetop kettle and a tea steeper. Crafted from clear borosilicate glass with a stainless steel filter lid, it offers a clean, pure brewing experience without lingering flavors or odors. Its wide shape helps tea leaves expand fully for rich flavor, while the secure lid and easy-to-clean design make it a reliable choice for any tea lover's routine. The Black Plus Decker One Touch Coffee Grinder offers a quick and easy way to grind coffee beans, herbs, and spices. Its stainless steel blades and bowl provide consistent performance and long-lasting durability. The simple push-button control lets you adjust the grind to your preference, while the lid locking feature ensures safe operation. Compact and efficient, it's a handy addition to any kitchen setup. The Ninja Nonstick Cookware Set brings lasting performance with its ceramic coating designed to stay smooth over time. It's crafted for healthy, low-oil cooking and free from common harmful chemicals. Safe for stovetop and oven use, the lightweight handles stay cool while you cook. Easy to clean and built for everyday use, this set is a practical and stylish choice for any kitchen. The OXO Good Grips Fat Separator is a smart kitchen helper designed to keep the flavor in and the fat out. With a built-in strainer and stopper, it helps you pour clean, smooth gravy while catching unwanted bits. Its clear body has easy-to-read measurements, and the non-slip handle gives you steady control. Cleanup is simple, and the stopper tucks neatly into the strainer when not in use. The Ezivalo under-cabinet lights offer a sleek and smart lighting solution for your home. These wireless, rechargeable LED lights feature a motion and daylight sensor that activates when movement is detected in low light, and they automatically shut off to conserve energy. With 4 modes, adjustable brightness, and a remote control, you can tailor the lighting to your needs. The slim design attaches easily with magnets or adhesive strips, making them perfect for kitchens, closets, and hallways. The Akago Smart Heated Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set is the perfect gift for coffee and tea lovers. This sleek, high-tech warmer keeps your beverages at the ideal temperature, offering precise temperature control ranging from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 175 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments. Its infrared detection system ensures accurate temperature readings, and the energy-efficient design heats drinks quickly without overcooking. The set includes a 15-ounce ceramic mug, matching lid, and coffee spoon, making it a thoughtful gift for birthdays or Christmas. The Chasif Mini Rice Cooker is a versatile, compact kitchen appliance ideal for small households or travel. With a 1.2-liter capacity, it can cook up to 2 cups of uncooked rice, making it perfect for 1 to 2 people. This mini rice cooker is not only great for cooking white rice, but also oatmeal, porridge, cakes, soups, and steamed vegetables. It features a simple one-touch control for easy operation and automatically switches to a warm setting once cooking is complete, keeping your food warm until you're ready to eat. The non-stick inner pot is food-grade, BPA-free, and easy to clean, ensuring safe and efficient cooking. The Vivor Hot Dog Roller is a commercial-grade machine designed for grilling hot dogs, sausages, and more. With its 7 non-stick rollers, it can cook up to 18 hot dogs at once. The dual temperature controls allow you to adjust the heat separately for the front and back rollers, ensuring perfect cooking while keeping the front rollers hot and ready to serve. The machine includes a removable drip tray for easy cleanup, and the rollers rotate for even cooking. It's perfect for food stands, family gatherings, and barbecues. The Cocoon Meat Tenderizer tool is designed to easily break down meat fibers, allowing marinades to absorb better and faster, which also speeds up cooking time. Made from high-quality stainless steel and premium plastic, it resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional meat mallets, this tenderizer maintains the meat's shape and fibers. It's easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher, and comes with a lifetime guarantee. The Priority Chef Potato Ricer is designed to make creating smooth and fluffy mashed potatoes effortless. With its large 15-ounce capacity and fine ricer holes, it ensures quick and efficient mashing. The long, cushioned handles provide easy leverage, so you can achieve perfect results without straining your arms. Made from durable, rust-proof materials, it is easy to clean and maintain. Beyond potatoes, this versatile tool is ideal for mashing a variety of vegetables and even making baby food, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen.